Now that your MyFavorito store is up and running, it's time to let your customers know that they can support their favorite sports club when they spend with you. Using our social media center, you can quickly and easily create posts for your social media as well as posters for your business. This is a great way to introduce your customers to MyFavorito and promote your latest sponsorship offers. Hover over Community in the navigation toolbar and click Social Media Center. Click Add. Here you will find a wide variety of easy-to-use and adjustable templates. For post images, these templates will create eye-catching still images that are perfect for Instagram and other social media sites. Posters, these templates will create A1 size posters that can be easily printed and hung up around your business. And story images. Create still images that are perfect for quick updates that can be uploaded to your Instagram or Facebook stories. In this tutorial, we will create a poster. Select posters and then choose your template. Give your poster a title. This is for your reference, so you can keep track of your designs in the Social Media Center. Adjust the colors. Design color will adjust the color of the graphics, but you will also be able to select the background color. Now enter a heading. This will appear on the poster. You can adjust the font size, but this will be the largest text on the poster by default. Now you can further customize your poster with your own image. This should be a large, high-quality image as the poster will be A1 size. Enable bullet points if you would like to use them in your body text. These will appear as numbers on the final poster. Select your background color. This will be for the whole poster. And enter your body text. This can be any information you wish to share. But as the default text introduces MyFavorito's simple 3-step process to redeem codes and send money to clubs, we will use it on this poster. Upload your logo. If you have already uploaded a logo, this will be used as the default. Choose your text color. And if needed, adjust your text spacing. Click Save and we will create your poster. Now all you need to do is download, print, and hang in your store. You will be able to find all of your designs listed in the Social Media Center for edits and future use.